Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to today's topic. Today we are going to talk and practice Sun Salutation, its mantras, benefits and contraindications. In the last video we talked there are 12 asanas in the Sun Salutation. All the 12 asanas is directly devoted to Sun God. And these 12 asanas have 12 mantras. The 12 mantras are the 12 names of the Sun. Now we are going to chant the 12 mantras. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Vanave Namaha. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Pusne Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Manichaya Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitraya Namaha. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namo Namaha. These are the 12 mantras of the 12 asanas from Sun Salutation. Now we are going to talk the benefits of the Sun Salutation. Sun Salutation strengthens the physical health, psychological health, and it helps to improve the spirituality. Surya Namaskar helps to activate the solar plexus or the Manipura chakra. It strengthens the physical body, it tones the muscles, it improves the flexibilities, it reduces the stress and anxiety, it boosts the immune system. Now we are going to talk some contraindications of Sun Salutation. Those practitioners have physical weak, they should not practice Sun Salutation. Those sadhakas or the practitioners have chronic back pain or severe back pain, they should avoid Sun Salutation. The women are pregnant, they should avoid Sun Salutation. Those people have heart problem, they should avoid Sun Salutation. Those people have high blood pressure, they should avoid Sun Salutation. Namaste. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.